This tutorial will show you how to log into your Office 365 account online. First, you will just need to open a browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome. In the search bar, you will put in login.microsoftonline.com and hit enter. Once the screen opens, you should have your account listed over on the right. Whatever your email login is for your Office 365. Click that. Click work or school account if you have both, a work or personal. I'm going to click work or school. Enter your password. You can click enter or click sign in. Once that opens, you should see all of your apps that you have for your Office 365 account. You see Mail, OneNote, Calendar, whatever you would like to use. Just simply click one of those, and then once you're done, you can just close the window, or you can click on your picture or your name in the upper right corner and click sign out. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to use OneNote. Within OneNote, we will create a new notebook, take notes, add links and files to your notes, insert a picture, add more pages and sections to your notebook, and use a screen clipping. First, we'll create a new notebook. Open our OneNote application. We're going to click File and New. Select one of the available locations, for example, OneDrive, or click Add a Place to tell OneNote where you want to store the new notebook. I'm going to choose this PC, and I'm going to name my notebook Test Notebook. Just follow the screen prompts you see. When your new notebook is ready, it will open to a new section that has a single blank page in it. So I'm going to click Create Notebook. Then we have New Section 1 right here with an untitled new page. To type or write notes within OneNote, when we're ready to take notes, we will do any of the following. To type notes on a page in OneNote, click wherever you want them to appear and then start typing. Whenever you want to begin a note elsewhere on the page, just click and start typing there. So let's type, this is a test note. Let's start down here. This is another paragraph. To add a page title, just click the page header area at the top of the page and type the title. The titles also show up in the page tabs near the right of the page. So when I add the title here, you see it over here on the right, title for test. If your computer supports handwriting, click the Draw tab on the ribbon. Select a pen and then draw or write directly on your screen. So up at the top, you see this Draw, and it drops down. You can choose to insert any of these items. Now, if we want to add a link into our note, whenever you type text that OneNote recognizes as a link, also known as a hyperlink, OneNote automatically formats it as one. For example, if you type www.microsoft.com into your notes, OneNote turns that into a link. Clicking it will open the Microsoft website in your browser. You can also manually insert links into your notes, including links to text, pictures, and to other pages and sections of your notebooks by doing the following. Select the text or picture you want to link. Check out google.com. Okay, we'll say Google's website. We're going to select the text. We'll say Google's website. We're going to select Insert and then Link in the drop down. In the link dialog box, type the link's destination URL into the address field and then click OK. So here's the address, and it's going to be www.google.com. And then we're going to select OK. So we added Google's website URL, and if we click it, it's going to open up a browser and take you to the site. Now to add files to your notes. OneNote can keep all of your information about any subject or project together in one place, including copies of related files and documents. If you're in your notes, go to the page where you want to insert a file or document. How about we do it right here? Click Insert at the top, and then File Attachment. In the Choose a File or a Set of Files to Insert dialog box, select one or more files and then click Insert. Inserted files show up as icons on your Notes page. Double-click any icon to open its file. Remember, inserted files are just copies. OneNote does not automatically update the copies if the original files change. I attach this file, and then you can open it. If you want to insert a picture, you can insert screen clippings, photos, scanned images, cell phone photos, or any other kind of images into your notes. On any page, put the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click Insert and then do one of the following. Click Screen Clipping to capture a selection of your computer screen and insert it as a picture into your notes. So if we do screen clipping, let's do this little mountain. You see there's that screen clipping. Click Pictures to insert a picture file that's stored on your computer. Insert Pictures. And then you'd find a picture, put a picture of a computer. Click Online Pictures to find and insert pictures from a Bing image search, your OneDrive account, or elsewhere on the web. And then you could search for a picture that you want and it would insert it. So if you want to add more pages into your OneNote book, for more room in your notebook, you can add as many pages as you want. In the section of your notebook that you want to add pages to, near the right side of the page, click Add Page once for each new page you want. So if I click Add Page, this is going to be the new page. And then you can see over here, title for test, and then the new page. Just click them over on the right. You can add as many pages as you'd like. When you're ready to use one of the new pages, just type a page title into its page header area and then press enter, like I did. If you want to add more sections to your notebook, sections in OneNote are like the color tabs in a typical 5-subject paper notebook. Unlike paper, however, OneNote lets you create as many sections as you want. Right-click any section tab at the top of the current page and click New Section. So if you click New Section, you have a new section. And this new section can have as many pages as it would like. Type a title for the new section and then press enter. New sections always contain one blank new page. You can start taking notes on this page or delete it and start with a page from your favorite template. Also, another way to add a new section, just click the plus sign right beside the sections. And then section 3, section 4, and so on. Now, if you want to use Clip by using OneNote Clipper on the Internet Explorer, you can right-click on the browser page and choose Send to OneNote. So if you open Internet Explorer, if you right-click anywhere, let's just right-click right in the middle, see Send to OneNote, the Select Location in OneNote dialog box appears. To quickly send the page to the default location, the Quick Notes notebook, and then click OK. To choose a different notebook or section, under Recent Pics or All Notebooks, select what you want. And to choose a different default location, click Always Send Web Notes to the selected location. OneNote Clipper extracts text from the web page and in some cases reformats pages that include articles, recipes, and products. All clips include a link back to the original website located at the bottom of the OneNote page. So if I come down and click the bottom, it takes me right back to the page where I clipped it. This concludes the tutorial on using OneNote.